child heard as Josh ran in a campsite. A child felt goop on his feet. He saw Josh leaving the beating path while running headfirst into the woods. Now, when the child got to a campsite, he was there for an hour or so. Like, just happy as can be. People were worried about Josh. They were wondering where he was. But an hour later, Josh returned. Not like himself, but more like an artificial version of him. His soul, well, it kind of seemed like it was wrenched out of his body. And don't even get me started on what happened 5 days later when he took a whole jug of hot lava and drank it. You see, today's entity is the Wok-Wok Bird. This Wok-Wok Bird is docile. It didn't do any of the stuff to Josh by himself. No. That was the followers, the ones who are aware of the very real magic this bird possesses to keep places alive and functioning, like the Shenandoah Mountains. Because running can, scare away animals it is bound to protect. And if you kill the Wok-Wok birds, those place loses its magic, its physique. And, well, efforts have been created to defend these great birds, aka moving them to places where we don't want people to run. And if we don't want people to run, we only want people to walk. And if walking is great. So that is the main purpose of the Wok-Wok Bird. If you run, it turns into goop. You can destroy the urds and the bids and the eggs. Urds and bids are like nymphs. Like, you got the bid, you got the urd, like 2 stages of childhood for this bird, and then you got the Wok-Wok Bird itself. Its eggs are circular with a circle at the top. And these things want her to fly because they have a danger level of 0. In fact, hurting them is hurting the environment because they protect from a more dangerous threat. The very real and very bad spotted lanternfly. So, don't run the next time you're in any of the places where you probably shouldn't, because the fly bird the Wok-Wok Bird, the Wok-Wok Bird will die. And the fly bird comment was foreshadowing. Because the Wok-Wok Bird will die. And if it does that, tons of bad stuff could happen to you via its followers in the cult of the Wok-Wok Bird. A cult so devoted to this one bird and keeping it alive that they created multiple things. They sacrifice and have a virtual soul thing, which an artificial soul that can only be sustained for 5 days, and then they die and do something to die. Yes. So, I hope today's bird shows you that it's not the entity itself that's dangerous. It's the stuff surrounding it. Do 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 do. Like and subscribe. No AI was used. Disclaimers everywhere. I probably should have put one to start that this would be a bit